Good morning, children. As you have done a rhyme based on sure sound and you understood the sound related to letters S and H. So today we will read the vocabulary page from my English reader. So open page number 18 and write down day and date at the top of the page. Now first come to the heading, say sure as in ship. Come to the first picture and read the first word. S-H-E, she. She is a word used for girls or females. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. You can see a picture of sheep here. S-H-E-E-T, sheet. Children, sheet can be a piece of paper like some worksheet, or it can be a piece of cloth like bed sheet or top sheet, or it can be a thin layer of metal like fiber sheet or aluminium sheet used to make shed. Now come to the next one. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. You can see a picture of pink shirt. S-H-U-T, shut. Shut means to close, like shut the door. The next one is S-H-E-L-L, shell. Here it is a picture of shell. S-H-O-E, shoe. Now you can see a picture of brown shoe here. The next one is S-H-O-O-T, shoot. Shoot means to fire, to shoot with a gun. Now come to the next box. S-H-O-U-T, shout. Shout means to speak loudly, to raise your voice. S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-O-W, show. S-H-O-R-E, shore. Children, this shore is not shore of Hindi. This shore means land adjoining a water body. Like land adjoining a sea is seashore. S-H-O-C-K, shock. Shock means suddenly heavy thing strikes. When a sudden thing happened that surprise you or make you stun, that is shock. Now come to the next one. S-H-E-D, shed. See a picture of shed shown here. Now the next one is S-H-E-L-L, shell. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. Like your cupboard must be having many shelves. Some rack is having shelves. Now come to the next one. S-H-Y, shy. Shy means reserved, introvert person who talks less. S-H-I-N-E, shine. See a picture of sun and the sun is shining brightly. Now come to the next one. B-U-S-H, bush. You can see in this picture, bush is shown here. And bush is a small woody plant. P-U-S-H, push. Push means when you apply force forward, means away from the body. The next one is W-I-S-H, wish. Wish means hope, desire. When you wish for something, when you want something. F-I-S-H, fish. You can see a picture of blue fish shown here. Yes, it is a fish. The next one is D-I-S-H, dish. Children, dish can be a vessel like plate, or it can be a type of prepared food like your mother makes tasty dishes. Yes. The next one is Polish, polish. It is a shoe polish shown here. Now come to the next one. SHAWL, shawl. You can see a picture of shawl shown here, and we use shawl in winter season. The next one is SHAPE, shape. SHARK, shark. Shark is a big fish. SHARP, sharp. Like the knife fish, sharp. SHAME, shame. Shame means disgrace, dishonor. SHARE, share. SHADE, shade. Tree gives us shade. Shed also gives us shade. Means protect you from light and rain. Now come to the next green box. BASH, bash, means to strike or collidely, heavily. DASH, dash, means to symbol that is used in empty spaces like in fill-ups. RASH, rash. Rash means acting too quickly without thinking of the consequences when you act, that is rash. ASH, ash. Ash means a grey or black residue left after burning something, that is ash. LASH, lash. Lash means your eyelash. CASH, cash. Cash can be the money in the form of notes or coins. Now come to the next one. BRUSH, brush. You can see a picture of brush here. RUSH, rush. Rush means in hurry. So children, we have read the full page. Now you have to read this page again with the help of your parents. Thank you, children.